I'm here to walk you through the application process. First, let's make sure you're eligible to participate in CFS. Chicago Field Studies is open to all Northwestern undergraduate students in any school or major, as well as international exchange students. To be eligible to participate in CFS, you must be in your sophomore, junior, or senior year, have completed or attended an information session, online or in person, within the last 6 months, be ready to dedicate the time and effort required for a successful internship search if you haven't landed your own internship. You'll want to participate in one of our small 16-person seminar classes, have the ability to devote most, if not all, of your time during the quarter to a CFS class and internship experience, apply and be accepted into the program, and if your GPA is below 3.0, be prepared to provide a letter of recommendation from a faculty member in your major, as well as a written sample. If you're an international student, you need to have been enrolled in NU for a full academic year prior to participating in CFS, and receive CPT work authorization from the international office before starting your CFS internship. As a J1 or exchange student, you may participate in CFS during your exchange year, and you need to apply for academic training. If you're studying abroad the quarter before you wish to participate in CFS or during an application period, you'll need to make sure you're available to CFS advisors and employers by phone, email, and by Skype or video conferencing. Once you're sure you're eligible to participate, review the schedule of course offerings and when they're offered. Also, review the instructor course videos as well as course information and decide which class themes match your interests. Identify at least one, but ideally 2 courses that interest you, just in case you don't get into your first choice. Next, review the application time periods and apply during the appropriate time. Most students who apply to CFS during the application process are accepted to CFS. If the courses don't fill by the time the deadline rolls around, we can extend the application period. Also, you may participate in CFS class outside of those application periods if you have your own internship secured and there's space available in the CFS class that you're looking to apply to. If this is your situation, it's best to check with us before you apply to make sure we can accommodate you for your CFS class goals. Most often, we can find room somewhere in a CFS class that if you've landed your own internship. Now that you've confirmed that you're eligible to participate, you've identified the CFS courses that interest you, and the quarter you'd like to participate, you are ready to apply. There are 2 parts to the CFS application. First, in Canvas, you'll upload your resume, your unofficial transcript, and a JPG photo of yourself. The photo is for CFS purposes only. Second, you'll complete a survey that asks you to provide demographic information as well as answer some short essay questions. Those questions are along the lines of why are you interested in participating in Chicago Field Studies and how does it fit your overall academic plan? What kinds of internships are you interested in and why? Describe previous internships, jobs, and/or activities that have helped you gain skills, knowledge, and experiences significant to your goals and interests. And we'd also like to know the courses you've taken that are relevant to the types of internships that interest you. Now, in the survey, you'll also be asked if you're interested in applying for CFS scholarship funds. These are funds that are generously donated to Chicago Field Studies by alumni, foundations, and NU partners. The scholarship is available to all accepted CFS students with financial need, including international students, and it covers the cost of transportation, food, even lost income from reduced hours at work study jobs or off-campus jobs. After you've completed both parts of the application, uploading your resume, transcript, photo, and Canvas, and submitting your survey, we'll let you know if you've been accepted into the program. It's usually by email. If there are problems with your application, we will do our best to let you know. Once you're accepted into the program, you will meet with a CFS advisor, and if you don't yet have your own internship, you'll interview with employers and hopefully land a great internship. We'll also send you permission numbers so that you can register for your CFS class. And if you've expressed interest in the CFS Scholarship Fund, we'll send you a scholarship application. One last thing to know about your Chicago Field Study participation. On the first day of the quarter, you'll attend a required orientation where we'll review expectations that employers and CFS have for you. You'll identify your learning goals for your internship, and we'll work with you to help you make the most of your internship and class experience. You'll also get to hear CFS alumni, employers, and faculty share their experiences with Chicago Field Studies. In the next module, you'll need to agree to uphold the academic integrity for Chicago Field Studies. After you agree, you'll then proceed to the Apply module where you'll upload your resume, transcript, and photo. Finally, you'll be directed to complete the survey for the CFS application.